Oh, isn't that just helpful? A sketchy rope. Yeah, I'm okay without that. Not trusting your rope. There's a perfectly good tree here to hug. Hey there, little happy run. We gotta go to the store before we do anything today. Let's see. Oh yeah. There we go. We're just gonna go to the store, get a drink, and then we're gonna go check out, we're gonna climb up where this little waterfall is. I used to climb it when I was a kid. There's like an old path up there, and it's got a really good view. Up on top of the mountain, we'll end up walking around the whole thing. Oh yeah. It's a little bit cold out too. Check that out. Park this. So the goals for today, well, don't worry about these are just snacks and a drink I just got, is we're here, we're gonna ride a bike across the bridge. There's a trail we can ride our bike down all the way down here, but then we're gonna have to climb part of the mountain, so we're gonna leave the bike and we're gonna hike this. And there's some crazy views up here. So that's just the goal for the day, for sure and simple.
Pick pennies up when you see them. They quit making them.
Huh?
They pick pennies up when you see them. They quit making them.
Yeah, I know. They just quit making them yesterday. Yeah, that's crazy. He said pick pennies up. Yeah, they did just stop making pennies just yesterday. So yeah, pick them up. Because some of them have copper in them and they're worth 3 cents actually. Yeah, it saves money. Hey, how are you, man?
Looks like the motorcycle to me.
Yeah, well, it's just a pedal bike. It's just got a little motor in the back.
So what are you doing over the scrapyard
yeah.
by yourself?
Yeah, it's a little electric bike. It's got a little throttle, but besides that, you can pedal it like a normal bike.
How often are you going to use that electricity? 24 hours a day or what?
What, this? Well, you don't have to use the power. You could turn it off and pedal it. You can ride it 30 miles per hour for like 2 hours probably, and then you have to charge it. Or you just plug it into a wall.
I had a 3, but the battery's going dead.
Huh?
I can't charge it up, but nobody even wants me to plug into it.
Oh yeah?
Kick me out.
Oh, they have the park down here you could always plug into. Huh?
Because it takes a slow charge, right? So,
Yeah.
USB?
No, it's just remember like old laptops how they have that little round charger?
Okay.
Takes one like that.
I wonder why you couldn't hook up a generator, little generator one on each side, or in the back on one and the front on one or something,
Yeah, you could.
and actually keep it charged to go.
You could. They use a lot of power though. It takes about like 4 or 5 hours to charge it.
But if it's constantly being charged as you go,
That's pretty rare
Yeah.
made.
Get a solar panels.
it might work. I don't know.
Rare made, right?
Well, no, there's a bunch out now. They're just right now. A whole bunch of companies just started making them.
Ask him how many miles he's pedaling in his life.
How many miles has he pedaled in his life? Millions? Millions? Yeah, I know. I've seen him my whole life riding around. Yeah, millions of miles. This bike's only a couple months old and it has 1,000 miles, so
Wow.
you don't really think about how much you really move around.
And there's a guy in Williamsport, lives in Hepburn Street High Rise, that he has rode all the way to Shamokin with a bicycle.
Oh, yeah.
On a homemade wooden trailer with 32-foot extension ladders, 2 of them on it.
Just
and
hauling them?
A couple small ones. And
Holy
he's a
crap.
short guy, he's still alive. He's in his 90s.
Damn.
And he still rides a bike.
Just keeps moving, yeah. It'll keep you moving. Yeah. All right. Hey, if you keep moving, you keep moving. That's all that matters.
He was a painter. I rode everywhere
Hey, all right, you guys have a good one, guys.
Okay.
Weird little conversation, but I guess we talk to people. If they want to talk, I guess we talk. Be friendly to people. All right. Now we're going to ride over here, and then we're going to go climb the mountain. Let's hike this little mountain here. I hope the wind noise ain't too bad today, man. I really hope so. Once I get an actual dirt bike, I'm gonna go in over there and I'm gonna create an enduro path that gets all the way to the place where we're going right now, because there's no way to get a bike up there. Well, no way to get an e-bike up there right now, but if I get once I get a dirt bike, I'm gonna go way up in there, and we're just gonna make an enduro path that goes all the way back to this place we're going right now. Look at all these, like, people just leave their campers here. That's crazy. Dude, you can't even get in there. That's why they left their camper there. They got a tree in the way. It's like they just abandoned it. They said, fuck this. How are we gonna move this tree? And their camper looks like it's about to fall down the hill. What? That's crazy how they just left their shit there like that. That thing's lucky it didn't get hit by that tree. Anti-theft. Look at this wall. We should climb it. Well, not we, but yeah, me. I should go climb that shit sometime on a video. I used to do it when I was younger. I used to just climb that shit for fun. Little monkey kid, I guess. Whoa, shit. Check out those islands. Yeah, my whole life, everyone's always called this a witch's waterfall, and I'm not 100% sure. People have said different reasons. But what are we gonna do with the bike? Nope. That's why I need a fucking actual dirt bike, bro. This bike is great though for a budget bike. Good for everything. Riding around town, all that good stuff. But for the exact reasons I want it, not really gonna do it. I knew I wouldn't do it when I bought it, but that's not what I bought it for. I bought it just to ride around town. But right now, for this purpose, oh God. Well, for some reason, that ain't gonna work. So we're just gonna roll in here and wish for the best. All right. Yeah, hopefully nobody touched that bike. All right, let's start climbing. Whoa. Ouch, someone poked me in the hand. Maybe I should be wearing gloves. See, the only real problem with up here is there is a pack of coyotes that live up here, but they're not regular coyotes, they're like hybrid coyotes, so they're really big. Some of them are friendly, some of them are mean as shit. Yeah, I really haven't climbed up this stuff since I was a kid. I don't know how bad this looks on camera. I guess some people might think it's hard. Some people would say it's nothing. I have no idea which one it is. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, see there's like a little water reservoir right there. all the water just trickles down off the mountain. Just gonna go underneath that. Up there, over here. Yo, my legs are like tired already. Damn, I got old. I gotta start working out again. I haven't worked out in like 2 years. I used to be a workoutaholic. Was in way better shape. Now, yeah, who knows? Not in very good shape anymore. Just look like it. Yeah, I don't know, we're like 40 feet up now. Well, probably way more than that, I have no idea. Oh, isn't that just helpful? A sketchy rope. Yeah, I'm okay without that. Not trusting your rope. There's a perfectly good tree here to hug. Wait, there was a path. It must have grown over. Alright. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of a path. Make sure there's no snakes or anything. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Crawl through here like a fucking caveman. Alright. Okay, so you can also get in here by just climbing up the waterfall, but that's slippery and wet. And nobody's been up here in a long time. Just animals. Yo, it's like I'm crawling in here. What the hell? I swear it's worth it. Holy shit. Yeah, you can tell nobody's been back here in a while. Dead tree branches everywhere. I'm not moving, I'm just gonna walk right through it. Whew. Look at this. Oh, very nice. Here, oh, look at this shit. That's like almost a sheer cliffside on that over there. Let's check out the view so far. And we're not even up there yet. Oh, fuck. Going on a trip. Going on an adventure. Holy, yo, this is a little bit rough on the legs. I need to start working out again. Forgot how steep this was. Nice. Why does so many of these trees look like they're half dead? I mean, I know it's fall, but that doesn't explain something like that. The tree just has pine cones but no pine. Like, what? Makes sense. It's a cone tree. All right, let's stop, take a drink real quick. Yeah. It is a little bit cold out here. It's not like I need a heavy jacket cold, but I mean, when you're riding the bike, you kind of need a jacket. Once you get off the bike, you don't. Oh, shit. Huh. I know there's this hidden campsite up here. Maybe if we get enough views on this video, once we find this campsite, I'll show you. But maybe if we get enough views on this video, I'll fucking spend the night up here. There's a lot of coyotes though. A couple bears. Ooh. Yeah, there's that logging trail we just seen earlier. So it probably goes all the way. It's just you have to find it. There's a few logging roads that used to be on this mountainside. And I guess once I get a dirt bike, I'm probably gonna try to find all of them. I'm a little bit out of breath. Oh shit. I'm tripping over stuff. These are my words. Grab this tree. Throw it out of the way. Grab this tree. All right. Get out of my way. Oh, that looks nice down there. Looks pretty cool. And there, what is that? A round tree or something? Oh, it is. It's like shaped like a C. Some woodworker would want that. Make it. You could cut that and make a hammock or something. Or a really cool chair. And it's been a little while, so I have no idea. I don't remember exactly where or how far the campsite is, but I know you gotta go way past that to get to this one view where you can just have this crazy look over. So I think it's like the highest point. Pull this, go under here. Let's check her out. Ow. Like a karate kid. Except for it's not karate. Ugh. What the? Oh, here's the campsite. Is this the campsite? Oh, it just melted away. There was like big seats made out of logs like this. Might be over there actually. But if this looks like this, that's probably what happened to the rest. What's going on over here? Let's check it out. Yeah, there's definitely, like, you can see flat land going through all this. Like, there's definitely some old roads that existed. We're going to resurface those once we get our actual bike. Look, a giant slingshot. That fucking tree looks like it's about to fall. All this for a view, just to go climb a mountain, just to see and look at something. Or is it to get views? No, because I used to do this all the time just for fun. Well, bam. See these rotted out logs? That is some really good fire starter right there. So if you're ever trapped in the woods, you see this stuff, crumble it up, put it in your pockets. Because once it's nighttime and you need to start a fire, that's gonna light right up. Oh, was the path that way that whole time? And see, there's an actual walking path. But keep getting off of it. Let me fix that camera, make sure it's so good. Is that the water? You hear the water? Oh, it's like a really heavy current right there. Oh, that's where that little American flag is. Oh, there's the spot that me and Wes found the other day. I think somebody might have already got those docks out of the water. Probably whoever they belonged to went down through and found them. Because we were saying if they don't find those, if they let them sit there, we're going to pull them ashore. And just sit them right there. Oh man, I need to get more enthusiastic. Come on guys, put me in a better mood. Dead branches all in my face. No, I'm not killing anything or hurting any trees. These branches have no life. And I have no idea why they wouldn't. They seem like they should, but they must be getting blocked by something else here blocking them. Probably a good thing. This would be fun if I can get a dirt bike up in here, ride around up here a little bit, wing, wing, all over. Man, I don't remember even going this far off. Yeah, I guess I would have to. Wait. There used to be a really big view over that way that I was looking for, but the trees must have grew up out around it. Let's check the time. It's 2:30. Well, let's do a little more adventuring. Now there's where those trailers are. So that's too far. Huh. Yeah, that would be so cool. Yo, if any companies want to send me an electric dirt bike and they want to see it put to real world use, and I don't mean like super planned bullshit. I mean, I'm gonna do videos for you if you send me something, but I'm also gonna put it through shit most people ain't thinking about. Like, I'll rip right through this shit right here. That looks fun. Whoa, I'm gonna fall down a cliff first. So yeah, if I was to roll down this, I would probably die. It's steeper than it looks. But we're not gonna roll down. Because I don't know why, but we're not going to. Because I say I know what I'm doing. Do I? No. But I'll lie and say I do. Look at that view down here, man. This is cool. See, I feel like on feet, this is more dangerous. Like, if I had a dirt bike, I'd probably rip through this once I get confident with the bike I got. But that right there, easily. That looks like a great little enduro course right there. because there's some cool stuff that go up over. It's downhill, you can go uphill on it. You can go up and then you can loop around. There's a nice side down, so you can go up and around over and over again and get practice. All right, let's go find this fucking viewpoint that I was talking about, because I'm pretty sure we passed it. And we're over here getting trapped on the side of a cliff. Ugh. Look at us stumping. Come on, Thumper. Yeah, dude, it's fucking beautiful out here, honestly. You know, these are just some old woods. Look how natural and nice it looks. Shit, if fairies exist, they're living here. And they're just hanging out, not bothering nobody. So you guys stay on your side, and we'll stay on ours. Huh. So that's definitely like, it was right around here, because I used to stand over here and get really cool pictures. Huh. I think it is right here with the trees grew higher. No, this ain't it, because there's a giant cliff down. Huh. There's fucking damn, where is it? Pretty sure it was right there. I think trees grew over. It's been years. But it's alright, we'll find another really nice view here. Maybe. Oh shit, ow. Get out of my way, tree. Boom. Check out this, yo. There's a lot of trails and pathways and fucking all kinds of fun activities to do around here. Well, if I get the equipment and I get some buddies around and maybe some people to do some fun stuff with me, we could definitely do a lot more. Come on. Look at that little spot down there. Oh man, should we go down there? A little flat spot. Huh. I don't know, maybe not alone. Cause if I roll down, there's so many trees, there's no way I want to fall down the mountain, but I don't think there's much of a point of going down there right now. And these shoes do not grip the dirt at all. I should have wore some boots or something so I can actually grip up here. Honestly, you can do some hard enduro right through this trail too. Like, we can make a path that goes into here somehow. We just gotta, like, you know, find a natural way to get up here. So I'm definitely going to be getting the 79 Falcon Pro. I'm almost 100% sure. The price is $4,000. So it's really the best bang for the buck I can get for a good mid-sized bike. Do a couple reviews. Make a shit ton of videos with it. Hopefully we can get some sponsors. I don't want sponsors so I can line my pockets. I want sponsors so I could do cooler videos. All the money I get from YouTube for a while is gonna go right back into it. I've got nothing yet, but eventually I'll make some money off of this and it's gonna go back into the content. What is this? Ugh. What? Oh. What the fuck is this? Oh, there's some glass. Oh, I was about to throw my hand right down on that. Oh, I'm so happy I seen that. Come on. Ugh. So all you need is a shit ton of paracord. You can line that. Bam, you have a bed out here. That's a tough frame. That's a really nice frame. Huh. You know what's crazy about this thing? It's already got half the structure to build like a trailer to pull. You know what I'm talking about? If you could get change this shit out, change a bunch of it out, but you could use these and the actual shape of it, and you could build a little trailer to haul on an e-bike with that. Oh, can't believe we just found a trailer. I mean, not a trailer. Can't believe we just found a fucking bed in the woods. I wonder who was sleeping on that and who brought it all the way up here. Oh yeah, we went through this way. I'm sitting here like, I don't remember that. Yeah, we don't want to take too long up here because I don't want somebody to steal my fucking e-bike. But wouldn't it be very fun, now would it? Get down there and be like, well, looks like I'm walking home. That's what you get. You go and hang out in the woods. This is super relaxing though up here, honestly. If you really want to get out and just enjoy life, just find a path in the woods. And if you don't have a path in the woods, just start walking. You'll make one. Oh shit, go right in through here. Yeah, so if I still rode BMX, I'll be right up over that. What is this? It's a bone. It's like a fucking bone shovel. That's sick. Well, we'll leave this here somewhere. Sorry, my guy, but you've been eaten. I think it's some sort of pelvis or hip. Like a booty. This is why you don't eat butt, guys. This is what it looks like when you're done. No, I don't even know what kind of bone that is. Not sure. Let's find a place where we can have it grow into a tree at. Let it become one with the tree. I mean, probably won't with how dead all these trees are. Ain't nothing growing up here. These trees are old as hell. They should be twice this size. It's because they're on a peak. If anybody knows why the trees on the peaks here are all dead, comment below and let me know. Oh look, there's a little baby. Alright, this one took the best chance of survival. No, it don't. This one's a brand new one. I'm just gonna shove that right in there. Over the years, it should just grow and become part of it. If I remember it's there, I'll probably forget in an hour. Oh, this is really old beer. It's like a mini ecosystem in there. Ooh. Well, that was the worst throw ever. I threw like a girl. Oh, that's a little baby tree. So I really think some of this might need taken care of. I think it's just so much dead stuff on the ground that there's not enough nutrients for all the actual stuff to grow. Man, I wish I had good depth perception because I didn't even notice I was on the side of the cliff. That's a pretty nice view too right here. But I'm pretty sure the whole view that I'm talking about, it was a nice peak where it was a nice flat spot. Oh, I mean, I must have had a while left to go, honestly. I'll have to do this trail again because now that I think about it, yeah, last time I walked this trail, I didn't even end there. I ended in a whole different area because I walked through a field and all that shit. So there's multiple paths up here, clearly, because I just walked a different one that I walked last time, but it was multiple years ago. But I know an entire field didn't disappear. Oh my, oh, look how nice this is. Look at this small town. Rock on. Oh shit. We're heading down the mountain. The way down there, right? Yep. Yeah, that didn't go very far. Oh, yeah. Huh. Nice. Well, oh shit. Let's get down through here. Oh, we're not even gonna do that this time. Gonna manhandle it. Oh, so there's the actual path around. Where did I come from? Now, maybe it's two different paths. I do not want to crawl around again. Well, I guess we're doing some crawling around again. Back down in this little tiny path. Yeah, look, you could like camp out right here, put a little campsite. You have water, running water actually. Not just any water. This is running water since it's moving at all. It's like you get a bathtub and everything all in one. Maybe we'll check out what it looks like here. Oh shit. I've seen people fall down here a lot when I was a kid. Why did I go this way? That's probably why people fall down. They don't pay attention. Should go that way, but the smarter option is obviously to take some steps. Sometimes you gotta think outside the box. Whoa. Alright, well. Oh shit, there we go. Not sure how to get a bike up there, but it would be nice to figure out a pathway to get there. I mean, my Happy Run ain't gonna do that. Happy Run's really good for running regular trails, like mountain bike trails, stuff like that. Oh shit, it's sliding all over. Alright, well, we're about to get out of here. Oh gosh. Holy crap. Alright. Might as well keep it in mode 2 on here. This is bouncy. Yeah, it's pretty interesting, but this thing ain't gonna make it up there. Or there's a nice path you can go up. You know what's crazy? Like, in real life, people tell me that I should be a YouTuber, that I should do this and that, because I have a lot of enthusiasm when I talk, and I'm really, you know, but somehow once I'm on camera, I'm more calm and relaxed, and I kind of need to learn how to bring my personality out on camera still. But it's also partly like your mood. Like, you gotta, if you have people with you, then that's when your personality really comes out. So when you're sitting here alone making videos, I guess if over time you kind of get the feeling that people are there with you, because your audience grows and you know that everything you're doing, people are watching, so you kind of get the feeling that you're there with people. But that probably takes a little while. Okay, there's water. I really need a dirt bike. 79 bikes, send me a bike. I'll buy the Pro. If you don't send me one, I'll buy the Pro anyway. And then you can send me the GT. Oh, there we go. There's the bridge. Yeah, so there's a lot of potential with my channel. Once I got everything down packed, and once I start planning out videos better, getting people around to do them with me. You know, if I'm doing something big, I'll probably get somebody to cameraman me. But at first, all you're doing is watching me learn how to be a YouTuber, learn how to make videos. Oh, look at this guy. He's all alone. Don't go that way, you're gonna die. Yeah, get in there. What are you doing? Alright guys, this is the end of the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, comment below. Let's get some conversations flowing and see what we can do in the future. Like, I'm fit, I can do all kinds of fun stuff. Just let me know what you want to happen. I'll go through stuff, make future plans. Till then, see you later.